Hello, thanks for stopping by the Luvele kitchen and for your interest in our Luvele Eclipse Meat Grinder. We have designed our Eclipse Meat Grinder to combine superior home performance with professional design features. It's built with premium metal gearing and a super powerful 3000 watt pure copper motor. The elegant gunmetal grey die-cast aluminium body provides a unique balance between strength and elegance. The 2-speed controls plus reverse mode provide added control and flexibility. We have also developed a quick release head latch for ease of use. The Luvele Eclipse comes with a full suite of accessories, including the unique Luvele designed stainless steel sausage nozzles, featuring the large 32mm nozzle for extra thick sausages, plus a 22mm and 16mm nozzle. While the smooth flow sausage filling plate and 2-blade allow for smooth and easy sausage making. We include a 5mm and 8mm stainless steel cutting plate, and the 3 and 12mm cutting plates are available for separate purchase. Our range of cutting plates allows you to create a variety of different textures and mince types. Also included are our kibe accessories. So let's show you a demo of the Eclipse grinder in action. Firstly, we're going to assemble the attachments. Insert the head and press down firmly on the quick release latch to secure in position. Then insert the stainless steel grind screw. On the end of the grind screw, place the 4-blade with the flat side facing outwards. Onto this, place your cutting plate and then screw on the fixing ring until it's finger tight. Once we've secured the head and accessories in position, we're going to place on the hopper plate. So we've got our Eclipse set up and ready to grind our meat. Today we're going to process about 600 grams of beef. I've removed around 70 to 80% of the fat, which we recommend. So let's show you the Eclipse in action. The first job is to fill the hopper plate. It's really important to load your meat in the head and hopper plate before processing. The meat grinder should never run without meat being pushed through it. Our meat is loaded and ready to process. We're going to turn on our switch to speed 2 and we're going to use our pusher to push the meat through our meat grinder. So that's how fast and easy it is to process 600 grams of beef. Today we used our 8mm cutting plate to create a more coarse mince. Our Eclipse meat grinder is designed to process meat flesh only. It's not suitable for bones, vegetables or hard foods. Also, please note the aluminium parts should be washed by hand and not in a dishwasher. We have a separate how-to sausage making recipe link below, so be sure to check that out. For more tricks, tips and information and to place your order for the Eclipse meat grinder, please be sure to check out our website. I really hope that was helpful. Thanks for stopping by and I'll see you again in the next video.